Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 36. Please answer my questions. Day, daily. What's the one thing you do daily that you wouldn't want to miss? Intensive, intense. Have you ever participated in an intensive training program? What was it like? What's the most intense experience you've had recently? Modern. What's your opinion on modern architecture compared to traditional styles? Seem. Do you think people sometimes seem different from how they really are? Hat. Do you like wearing hats? If so, what's your favorite style? Curious. What are you currently curious about learning or exploring? Arm, armed. Have you ever felt the need to arm yourself with knowledge before a big challenge? Speech. What's the most memorable speech you've ever heard? Vegetable, vegetables. Do you include vegetables in every meal? Why or why not? Grateful. What's something you are particularly grateful for this week? Love, lover. How do you define love in your life? Other, the other, others. What's something you wish others understood about you? Undo, redo. If you could undo one decision in your life, what would it be? Accelerate. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to accelerate your progress? College. Did you attend college? What was your major and why did you choose that? Regret. Is there anything you regret not doing sooner in your life? Bank, riverbank. How do you choose a bank for managing your finances? Do you enjoy spending time by the riverbank? What do you like to do there? Account, accountant, accounting. Do you think it's important to have a personal account with an accountant? Missing. How do you feel about missing out on events and opportunities? Press. Do you think the press plays a crucial role in society? Why or why not? She. How would you support a friend if she's going through a tough time. Toy, soft toy, stuffed toy. Did you have a favorite toy as a child? What was it? And do you still have it? Vase, or in British English, vase. Have you ever created a flower arrangement for a vase? How did it turn out? Smile. What's something that always makes you smile? Statistic, statistical, statistics. Do you find statistics helpful when making decisions? Can you give an example? Declare. How do you feel about people who openly declare their beliefs or opinions? Hill. Do you enjoy hiking up hills? What's the highest hill or mountain you've ever climbed? Spill, spilled, spilt. Have you ever accidentally spilled something in a public place, and how did you handle it? Import. Do you prefer locally made products or imported ones? Why? Mr., Mrs., Miss. Do you prefer to be addressed by your first name or as Mr., Mrs., Miss Jones? That's all for today. Thank you for your answers and see you next time. Bye-bye.